Population of a city is 45,000 and decreases 2% each year. If the trend continues, what will the population be after 15 years? So I'm going to go ahead and treat this like an exponential function. This is an example of decay. It's getting smaller. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start creating, I'm going to make a table out of this. Okay. See what I can piece together here. So this up here will be the years. Okay. And this will be my population right here. Okay. So we start with 45,000. Okay. And then it increases by 2%. Okay, so I'm going to find out what 2% of 45,000 is. So 2% divided by 100, 0.02. Okay, so I'm going to multiply that times the original population, which is 45,000. Oops, sorry. So 900 people. It increased by 900 people. So the next year is 45,900. And then the year after that, continuing the process, okay, then I'll multiply that by 0.02 plus the year before what it was, and we're looking at 46,818. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and write an exponential function for this. Okay. So what I need to do is find out what is the R value, or the common ratio that gets me from here to here. So I'm going to do that by doing my common ratio is going to be, I'm going to figure out, I'm going to run it in reverse. So what do I multiply this by to make it that? So I'm going to divide them out. Okay. And it's going to come out to 1.02. So that's my R value. Okay. My zero term, okay, in this case, I'll use P of, okay, P of 0 for population is equal to 45,000. Okay, so then I'll go ahead and write my my actual function now. So it's going to be P of, I'll say P of X right here. Okay, where X is the number of years, okay, is equal to my initial amount, or my starting value, times the R value to the end. Okay. So that is my formula, or my function that will tell me what happens. So I want to know the population in 15 years. So I'm going to do P of 15. The calculator out here. 1.02 to the 15th is that number right there. $1.3459 if I round it. I'm going to leave that in my calculator. I'm going to multiply that times the 45,000. Okay. And the P of 15 will be 65,640.08. Okay. So in 15 years, I could say the population is about 60,500, right? We can't have 0.8 of a person. This gives us an approximate value if it increases by 2%.